The electric current flow, normally we already discussed this one, but I just want to tell, and yesterday also, last class also we discussed, electric current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. I already said that. If, for example, if can you tell me what is this? It's a dry cell. In this dry cell, the current is flowing from where? Positive terminal to negative terminal.
Negative.
Negative terminal. So positive, this is positive and this is negative. So current flowing from here to here. So always the current is flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal. Here you can see one simple cell. Can you tell me can you tell me from where to where the current can move? Which is positive terminal? Copper, right? Which is negative terminal?
Negative to
Zinc.
positive.
Zinc. Copper to
Positive to negative.
positive to negative means what? Copper to
Copper to zinc.
zinc, right? So always what? Current is moving from positive terminal to negative terminal.
Negative.
Are
Negative
simple
terminal.
cell இருந்தாலும் சரிதான், அது battery சும்மா சின்ன normal dry cell இருந்தாலும் சரிதான், என்ன கனகாட்டு செல் இருந்தாலும் சரிதான், whatever you
positive
just
and
positive to
positive and negative.
negative. Right. Okay. கொஞ்சம் mute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Right. Now we're going to talk about another one is solar panel. We already discussed this one. We already discussed there are three types of electrical sources. Number one is dry cells, and we finished that cell.
Dynamo.
Look this wait. Here you can see what? Electrical cell and battery. We discussed this one. This is done. Now we are going to talk about the solar cell. The third one we are going to discuss. And solar cell, you know that you always know this one. Nowadays, a trending word is a solar panel. Right? Have you seen solar panel? Have you seen solar panel? Right. Might be you might have been seen that. In that solar panel. Oh man, okay. Solar panel, you see the solar panel. Solar panel is fixed. Why it is fixed in solar panel? To generate, what is that?
Generate the electricity.
To generate the electricity. என்னடா இது சோலார் பேனல்ல இப்படி ஓட்டுக்கு மேல இப்படி வெச்சா கரண்ட் வருமா? ஓன் கரண்ட் வரும். எப்படி வருதுங்கறத பார்க்க போறோம். Look what is that actually. You can see the sun is coming. Here is a sun. From that sun, sunlight is coming to this solar panel. When sunlight falls on the solar panel, look at this. This is not a solar panel. I'll talk about this one. This is solar system. But when sunlight falls on, not sun heat, remember what energy will be used here? What energy? Solar heat, light energy,
solar heat.
Heat energy.
Solar
Heat, not solar light, not solar heat, right? So in this solar cell, solar light or light energy falls. Here what will happen actually? We already discussed this one. Flowing of electron is what? Flowing of electron is what? Current. Flowing of electron is what? Current. Here you will be studying grade 11, but I'm just talking here. இது light fall ஆக இதுக்குள்ள இருந்து இருக்கிற எலக்ட்ரான் என்ன செய்யும்? Flow ஆகும். What is happening? Positive charges and negative charge in வரும் OL but when electron flow, yes. What will be produced?
Electricity produced.
Electricity is produced. Current is produced. So that is how the current is produced in solar system or solar panel, right? So here you can see this is also one of the electrical sources. It is there different amount. For example, But in our home, we have installed 20 kilowatts, kW. பிள்ளைய ஆறுன்னு சொன்னாலும் நீங்க திருத்தணும் நல்லா சொல்லிட்டேன் 20 kilowatts of right 20 kilowatts of solar system is installed. Something like you can install 5 kilowatt or you can install 2 kilowatts in your home to get the generation of electricity. Current bill குறைக்கிறேன்னா நீங்க install பண்ணி காசு செலவழிச்சு குறைக்கலாம். You can install 10 kilowatts. You can install 40 kilowatt. You can install even 80 kilowatt. No problem. Remember, lots of people நிறைய படிச்சார்கள் கூட இது தெரியாது. You just what is that actually? Kilowatt, kW, kilowatt. 20 kilowatts ஒரு வேளை இருக்கும், 40 kilowatts ஒரு வேளை இருக்கும், what's that, 10 kilowatts இருக்கும், one price இருக்கும், 5 kilowatts இன்னொரு price இருக்கும். So that is what the kilowatts. So kilowatts means 1000 watts or kilowatts, 1000 watts or kilowatts. So like that, right? Emma Fatima Bahia, don't put dot, right? Okay, so see here. Now this is the picture. You can tell everything very much clearly that I have taken from outside sources. This is one cell is what? Solar cell. One ஒன்றுக்கு பேரு solar cell. ஒன்று சேர்ந்து ஒரு panel வருமா இல்லையா? அதுக்கு பேரு solar panel.
வரும்.
panel எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்ந்து நாங்க மேலுக்கு அடிக்கிறது தானே. அதுக்கு பேரு solar system. One is a solar cell, solar panel, solar system. Clear? Yeah. Okay, in the solar panel, right, and I have to give another point here. In solar panel, look at this one. Solar panel means the collection of solar cells are called solar panel, right? I have to put another point here. Solar cell, single unit of MS Fatima Bahia, don't put, sorry, MS Fatima, and MS Fatima Zahari, don't put. Right, solar cell means single unit of solar panel. Solar panel, right? Single unit of solar panel, right? And collection of solar panel, the solar cells is called what? Solar panel. Collection of solar panel is called what? Solar system. And what is the usage of this one? Generations of electricity. Generations of electricity. And also using energy to generate electricity. Using energy to generate electricity is what? What energy is used? What energy is used? Sun or sunlight? Sunlight or solar light? Energy, right? And also here what is that actually? Wait. It is produced by silicon cell, silicon element. It is produced by silicon element. It is produced by silicon element. So you just want to tell, and you have to take the idea what is solar panel, what is solar cell, what is solar system, and you must know clearly, right? Okay. So we remember solar panel la use பண்ற energy என்ன energy? Sunlight energy or solar light energy.
Solar light energy. Sir,
using enama
it is produced by individual.
it is producer.
It produced or it is produced.
Right, okay. Passive verb, right, okay. Right, okay.
Aggi சத்தம் போட
Right, okay. Now here you can see the norm. Solar panels are environmentally good, right? Environmentally good. Environmentally good. It does not harm to environmentally good. It does not harm to environment. Why it is not harm to environment? Look, to produce electricity, what they used, coal plant, you know that, right? Coal plant. In coal plant, what are the different and harmful gases coming out? Am I right? In coal plant, என்ன நிலக்கரி இதுல
Yes, sir.
என்ன செய்ய சொன்னா நிறைய புகையெல்லாம் வரும் நாங்க ஹீட் பண்ற டைம்ல. And when they use what?
Yes.
Diesel use பண்ணாங்கன்னு சொன்னா அதுக்கு புகை வரும். And in hydropower station, they need what? Water. To get the water, they destroy the rivers and the streams and everything. So it is easy to generate electricity by using a solar panel, right? Solar hamda, don't put dot. Right? Solar panels are environmentally friendly, right? Environmentally friendly or environmentally good. It does not harm to environment because on the middle, summa தூக்கி panel தூக்கி வெச்சோம்னு சொன்னா லைட் விழுந்தா என்ன வரும்? கரண்ட் வரும். என்ன வரும்? கரண்ட் வரும். Right.
current.
Current வரும். So I hope you people got this one. So just wait. Let's watch some videos. Right, பாப் மாஞ்சு பாருங்க. Don't கொஞ்சம் ஷட் பண்ணுங்க. சவுண்ட் எல்லாம் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணுங்க.
Oh, adapted mind math. Come explore the site with me. I'm in first.
Find all your favorite merch at kidslearningtubeshop.com. You can get t-shirts. You can
விளங்குதா? சவுண்ட் விளங்குதா அந்த வீடியோட?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. நல்லா வளங்க.
blankets and pillowcases. Any video subject you want from the Kids Learning Tube video collection. You can purchase your favorite music. You can get your favorite coloring sheet. Enjoy school even more with your new Kids Learning Tube backpack and tote bag. Hang your favorite Kids Learning Tube poster in your room. Go to kidslearningtubeshop.com and get your favorite merch today. Kids Learning Tube is creating personalized bath. Kids learn it too. This is a solar expedition on renewable energy. We'll see how solar panel cells produce free electricity. Our sun's a nuclear reactor shooting photons at us for free. Let's harness this power through silicon into batteries. What is solar power? It's the conversion of energy from our sunlight into electricity. Our sun's a natural nuclear reactor, you should know. It's the most abundant energy resource on Earth, I'll show. Now what's a photon? They're light particles produced by the sun. They're made by nuclear fusion, shot into space in all directions. It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for a photon to run before it reaches our Earth from the surface of our sun. Photons are made of electromagnetic radiation. They're tiny packets of energy I convert into electricity. electricity for fun. I'm a photovoltaic cell, a solar cell you see. I'm like an electrical leaf, I use the sun to produce energy. Solar panels are made up of me, small solar cells. These cells are made from silicon, of this I will tell. Silicon is a semiconductor for what it is worth, and one of the most abundant elements on the planet Earth. In a solar cell there are 3 layers shown right here. I will tell you about each layer as they appear. The thin top layer does contain silicon, you should know, and a tiny amount of an element called phosphorus. I show the phosphorus has more electrons than the silicon does. That means there are more electrons, making this area more conductive. This layer with the phosphorus gives electrons more room to roam, which makes it negatively charged, so it's called the N-type as shown. The bottom layer contains silicon and an element called boron, which has fewer electrons than the surrounding silicon. Because of the fewer electrons, this layer's pop. From there they flow to the external circuit to power a light bulb, I tell. They flow through and return to the conductive aluminum sheet on my back. Then they return from where they came from, with no waste, that's a fact. A single solar panel has many solar cells to create more energy in a small space to keep your home running well. When too much energy is produced, it gets sent back to the electrical grid to help produce more electricity for some other kid. The sun produces more energy each hour than we will ever need. There's so many ways that we can create renewable energy. This is a solar expedition.
Is that what type of energy? Solar power energy, renewable energy, right? Is that what?
Okay.
Yeah.
Non-renewable
Solar
energy.
power.
See how solar panel cells produce free electricity. Our sun's a nuclear reactor shooting photons at us for free. Let's harness this power through silicon into batteries.
How is that song? It's only for solar panel, right? That song is only for solar panel. And from that song, they have given everything, right? So they have given everything. So I will send the notes, and you just write the notes, and you just write the answer for that questions also, right? So I'm stopping. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.
Have a great day.
Walaikum
Walaikum
salam.
assalam.
Oh, have a great.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum salam. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.